Alright, here we are. Friday afternoon. I got me and Zach's canoe ready to roll. Bungeed up in case we flip. And here we have the USS Curtis. Already in the water. Ready to roll. And there we go. You got us? Yeah, nothing. Alright, here we are on Blackwater River in Florida. It's pretty dang nice, if I do say so myself. What you think, Zach?
It's awesome.
Very nice and quiet. Well, here we are. I just arrived about 2 hours ago at our campsite. I'm going to go ahead and shoot this video before it gets too dark. Go ahead and pull the canoes up. Nice view over there. Beautiful river. There's Curti. I may or may not have had a complete shoe malfunction. The sandal is completely falling apart. It's been in my trunk for about a year. Really just pisses me off that it fell apart. There's the tent. Campfire. Some of the wood we've been processing. Look inside the tent. Letting the fire burn down, then we're going to throw some charcoal on it. And then get us some cooking done, you know what I mean? That's right. Nice view. This guy's looking like shit though. Alright. Well, I will. Here we are, Saturday morning. It rained pretty much all night. Everything's wet. Oh yeah. We went ahead and dragged the canoes out because we were planning on leaving without cooking breakfast because we were all kind of miserable, you know. There's our water marker. Didn't raise an inch after all that rain. There's Zach. He's been working almost all morning on the fire. Did a great job. We're about to take down the tent now that the sky's kind of clearing up a little bit. Probably be hitting the water in about a couple hours.